Alright, hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my trading analysis video. And today is a Tuesday, 18th of November. Alright, so we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Here is the 4-hourly chart, and we are seeing that there's a falling trend channel over here. Right, and price has reached the bottom of the falling trend channel, and we are seeing a rebound from here, followed by a minor rising trend channel within the falling trend channel. Is that price is appreciating, alright, touching the bottom of this minor rising trend channel, and it begins to rebound. Alright, if we zoom into the 1-hourly chart, it will be more clear in a sense. So intraday traders, this could be one trade that you want to look at, but just that the price right now, or the entry price right now, is a little bit well, not that good in a sense. So you might want to wait for price to probably retrace a little and wait for a long opportunity, or if not, we'll go for the major trend to wait to see which are the resistance level that we can look at to short this currency pair again. So the first level being at the price of 1.2559, retracement level of 38.2%, and followed by retracement level of 50%, price of 1.2621. Where the 200 or rather the 200 moving averages can act as a resistance as well. So say if it rises, touches the top of the rising trend channel again, and at the same time the 200 moving averages coincides with it, and that could be a valid resistance level, and of course we'll still wait for a trade setup to go for the shorts. Right, so next we shall take a look at the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, so this is a 4-hourly chart. Alright, as we can see that price has been quite moving sideways in a way. Alright, this is a 4-hourly chart, and we do see the price has been persistently supported at the 22 moving average. And right now price is just little change. Alright, this is a 1-hourly chart, but the overall trend we are still looking at is definitely that price is still appreciating. We can actually just plot something out here. Alright, so we can see it's moving up on the in the trend channel. So from here we do expect the price can appreciate further. Alright, so just take note of what is the next level. Of course, right now we are at somewhere at the previous high, and if it breaks above, the next level we shall look at is 117.96. 117.96. Alright, this is the exhaustion level of 141.4%, and finally followed by the highest at 119.72. 119.72. Whoa, that's high. Right, this will probably take a little longer. Okay, but right after this level, we are looking at 117.96. So what we can do now is to wait and see if price is still able to got resisted at the current resistance level and retrace to a better price for a long entry. Alright. Next we shall look at the pound against the US dollar. So again, this is a 4-hourly chart. Just want to plot this falling trend channel. Right, so this is pretty straightforward, and with Fibonacci expansion, this is actually one of the final exhaustion level, and the moment it touches, it begins to rebound. So what we're gonna wait for is for price to retrace further to a level that we can go for a short again. So back to the 4-hourly chart, let's plot a Fibonacci retracement. Right, from the top to the bottom, and here we can see that the price at the retracement level of 38.2%, price of 1.5816 could be a probable level for price to fall further. If not, we can also look at the 55 moving averages. I mean, as price touches the 55 moving averages, we can wait for the setup to go for the shorts. Alright, and if price were to retrace so much, then the 61.8% will be the key level to look at the price of 1.5956. Right, so that is for the pound against the US dollar. Next is the Australia against the US dollar. So we do see that there is a rising trend, a minor rising trend channel over here. Alright, let me just plot it out for you. Right, zoom in the 1 hourly charts. Okay, this is off. Right, so price has touched its bottom. We can see that there is a reversal candle over here with a confirmation. Stochastic is slightly oversold, so this could be a possible trade to go for a long. Alright, but then if we are going to look at the major trend itself, we will still wait for further retracement. So what we can see here is that the 200 moving averages can add as one. It coincides with the retracement level of 61.8%. So if you're going to go for the major trend, then we shall just wait for price to reach this level again to see if there's a setup to go for a short. If not, if it breaks further, the next level we can look at is at the 78.6% retracement level, 78.6%, price of 0.8830. Alright, we can see that there's a lot of resistance previously at this level, so that could be a good level to go for the shorts. Alright, definitely we are seeing that there's a rising trend channel over here. Right, zoom in the 1 hourly chart, that will make it very clear. Alright, so yes, that's for the Australia against the US dollar. And yes, finally the New Zealand against the US dollar. Right, this is the New Zealand against the US dollar. We have seen price has retraced a lot. In fact, it's almost like a reversal. Yes, broken above the 200 moving averages, broken above the 61.8% retracement level, and it's coming back all the way to the previous high at about 0.8 thousand flats. So that would be at the retracement level 88.6%, and that is where we can actually look for a short opportunity. And the thing is that we can look at the weekly chart. If we based on history pattern, there is a possibility that price can go all the way up to 0.8096. Right, this is the one that I've said before. Alright, you can see that there is a range over here as price touches the support level of 0.7700. So this could happen for the situation right now as well. Right, so just back to the 4 hourly chart. If you would like to go for the major trend, then we can wait for it to first reach the first level at 88.6%, price of 0.7989, and followed by 0.8087. And finally, I would just like to touch on Australia against the New Zealand dollar. So if we zoom in the 4 hourly charts, we do see that price is falling within along with a falling trend line over here. Yes, just broken below the ascending triangle. Right, if you look at the day 1 chart, alright, this resistance itself and this trend line itself shows an ascending triangle, but it's broken below, but it's about to reach a exhaustion level as well at the previous low price of 1.1 0.966. So this might be able to give you an opportunity to go for a long, but of course we shall wait for the trade setup. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.